Are you worried about your career and don't know where to start from? Do you really have no idea which career to start? And after spending so much of time and money, you're not sure whether you will get some good jobs and placements in that industry? The airlines are recruiting people every day. What if I tell you that you can actually start a career in this industry in just less than 10 months, where you can get trained and certified, and there are plenty of job options available for you where you get the placement assistance to join some of the best jobs. We have placed hundreds of students in last few years in this industry who are working in airline and tourism jobs and not only earning well, but also getting a lot of benefits like free travel and a very glamorous lifestyle. If you are interested in starting a career in this industry and want to get trained, then join our next batch in Delhi, where you will get trained in all the required areas which will help you to crack the interviews and get the best jobs in airline and tourism industry like cabin crew, airport ground staff, travel and tourism professionals, ticketing professionals, and tour operators, and many job opportunities which you will be able to easily grab after getting certified from us. So just go down to the link below and register yourself and share your details, or you can call us to find more details about our next batch. So all the best, and I look forward to seeing you in the class soon. Till then, good luck.